Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is an elf day. And I love this guy. And our theme is farm clothes or harvest. And so we're doing both, and we're doing it in Hobby Lobby. I do this collaboration each month with Penny from Playful Reborns, J from J Dolls UK, Tina from Tina's Reborns, and Dory from Dory's Dollies. And we ask you to join in. Today I'm in Hobby Lobby because it's more fun here than across my counter, and they have stuff up. And I cannot believe that in 2 days it is Thanksgiving 2023. Where has the time gone? So while we're on that subject, I want to tell you what's a really good idea, and that is buy an elf while they're on sale so you can join in each month. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And today we're also going to do holiday cheer. What is holiday cheer? That is your opportunity to join in to wish others happy holiday cheer. And this is how it works. The channel today is Deb's Doll Room. And the idea is we all go by and leave a comment, an extra comment, on her last video that has the words holiday cheer in it. Also leave a regular comment that you would regularly leave. Subscribe to her channel, like her channel, and on each comment, leave a like. What that does is it ups her in the algorithm, and we all want to help one another's channels out.